Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to be getting ready. I'm in New York for New York Fashion Week and I wanted to do like a little get ready with me, just showing y'all my process. I'm going out to dinner. Okay, your girl about to eat real good, so I wanted to do a get ready with me for this outfit because it's so cute. I'm gonna feel like a little Barbie. So y'all will see the outfit. If you've seen the thumbnail, then I mean you kind of seen the outfit. But yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. Follow me on TikTok and all that good stuff too. And yeah, let's get started. So right now I am just coming back from an event and now I'm getting ready for dinner. So yeah, hair's already done. I think I may do something with it, not just wear it straight, but we'll see once I'm finished with, you know, how I'm getting dressed, and like maybe some ideas will come to my head. So first on the agenda, we need to moisturize the skin because I just washed it. I was wearing makeup earlier, but I wanted to redo it because it wasn't a full face. It was kind of just, you know, spot treatments and stuff. So I'm gonna go in with my Belief Aqua Bomb. This is my favorite moisturizer for the summertime, especially when it's like warmer outside. My skin just drinks it up. This just makes my skin feel so good. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. Okay, no, we can't do this without my Aqua Bomb. So I'm about to run to Ulta real quick and get me some Aqua Bomb. I gotta restock up because there's no way I'm gonna have dry skin out and about. Like, what do I look like? So yeah, we gotta go to Ulta right now. Let's go. All right, so we're in Ulta and you know why I'm here, the Aqua Bomb. So I'm gonna re-up on my Aqua Bomb so that I don't run out because we cannot have that problem anymore. We got the goods, y'all, so I'm about to head back and finish getting ready. So we restocked. Now it's time to get this face together because, y'all, when I wear this under my foundation, my skin literally radiates through all of the makeup. Even if I put powder on and stuff, it really just gives a skin like finish. So I wear this without makeup, with makeup. It is just my favorite. So we got us a full jar. Let's moisturize. Like, do you see how moisturized my skin looks? Okay, like this is literally why I absolutely love this moisturizer. And then once your skin absorbs it, you still have this like beautiful glow, which I'm just addicted to it. I'm addicted. So if you want to try out the Belief Aqua Bomb, y'all know I've said this before, I literally love it. So y'all definitely try it out. If you want to try it out, go to Ulta and stock up on your fave. Okay, we do not want to be running out of our faves, so you gotta stock up. Now I can put my foundation on. Like, I really need this step for real. For me, Belief is one of my holy grails, so I will do anything. I will do anything, okay? I cannot miss steps in my makeup routine because I perfected it. It's my holy grail makeup routine, right? So I just want to make sure that I'm doing it right, especially if I'm going out to dinner. I want to look good. So that's not the time to be experimenting, okay? You got to keep it, do it what you know. So now I'm going to use my NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in the color Vanity. I think that's how you pronounce it, y'all. Y'all know NARS has funny names for their stuff, but this is the shade that I am in. And this foundation matches me really well, number one. And it has like a nice skin like coverage. For me, I really want my products to have that glow. And you know, like I said, once I put the moisturizer on under it, it just adds to that glow. But I like foundations that aren't super duper matte because, you know, I want to look alive. And this foundation brush is from e.l.f. So yeah, I do have a breakout here, but we're just gonna cover that right on it. Okay, the coverage on this is so good too, y'all. But let's talk about me being in New York for New York Fashion Week. How crazy is that, right? Like, I feel so blessed to be here, honestly. Like, I used to dream about coming to New York Fashion Week and just dressing to the T and just, you know what I'm saying? Like, I literally used to dream. Look at that. Do you see the glow under that foundation? That's that Aqua Bomb I told y'all. But yeah, I really just literally used to dream about, you know, New York Fashion Week and being able to attend. So once I got the chance to, I jumped on it. Like, I was like, yeah, I'm going. It's going down, and this is gonna be my first fashion week. So yeah, this is my first fashion week, and y'all showed so much love when I posted that I was on my way here on my Instagram. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. I'm here with Revolve. So not only am I at Fashion Week like I've always dreamed about, I'm here with a brand. Like, how amazing is that? So I went to the Revolve event yesterday too, and I was just in there, and I don't even know what came over me, y'all, but I just sat down and I was just reflecting on everything, like how all of this even like how I'm even sitting here right now, you know what I'm saying? I was sitting there in the middle of an event about to cry because I was just in my head like thinking, wow, look where you're at right now. Like, look where all of your hard work has gotten you. And when you start to like sit back and really think about how far you have come and everything that you have overcome, oh my gosh, like I recommend everybody do that every so once in a while, because it's really like, it's really good for me to do that. Like, I always feel amazing after I do that. I always feel very motivated, because it's like, if I can have this moment right now, I can have another moment and it can be totally like, I can be 10 steps ahead, and I can sit here and be like, wow, I remember last time I reflected, I felt like, you know, I had accomplished so much, but now look at all the other stuff that I have accomplished, you know what I mean? So I just always look at it like that, like, wow, I can sit here in a moment of gratitude, but guess what? If I keep up this work, I can be grateful for so many other things as well. I was actually having this conversation with some girls at this mixer that I went to. I met so many amazing creators and just business women at this mixer that I went to last night, and we were also talking like, how crazy is it that we all dreamed about being in these spaces, and we're here right now because of all the hard work that we put in, because of all the support of the people that follow us. And it's just, sometimes it just gives you chills, because you're just like, wow, like I am here, I did that. I used to dream, and you know, I used to look at people and be like, wow, that's gonna be me one day, and look, it's me today. Like, how crazy is that? Like, sometimes I just think about just mind-blowing things, and I be getting deep and all that type of stuff, because I feel like you have to sometimes. I'm just gonna set my under eye, y'all, but yeah, sometimes you really have to just sit there and be like, wow, I did that, I'm proud of myself. Like, you really have to be proud of yourself. Even if you feel like you're not where you want to be, it doesn't matter, you're somewhere, because you could be nowhere. I really am trying to like beat my face, but yeah, I was just really feeling good yesterday. And I was even texting one of my friends, and I was just telling him like, y'all, I'm sitting in here so grateful for just where I am literally standing right now. Like, this opportunity is amazing, it's amazing. So yeah, I'm just really happy. I feel super duper like motivated and just ready to like keep going, you know? I'm ready to like keep pushing, keep going, like full throttle, just keep it going. This is not like the best lighting for makeup, but this is the only mirror in here, y'all, so there's that. But yeah, y'all, so that's just how I've been feeling, and I'm super duper just excited for like, this type of stuff really makes me extremely excited for the future, and it makes me super motivated. Like, just coming here and seeing all these amazing like creators, and you know, just being around a bunch of bosses, it is amazing. Like, it feels so good. I'm using the Fenty bronzer in the color Island Ting. I'm gonna do a TikTok on my everyday makeup, because I feel like that'll be so helpful, so I can just tell people, go to my TikTok and watch it, because I literally have been doing the same makeup for forever. But let me know down below, like, what's something that you're really proud of that you have done recently, or in like the past year, like 2022. Like, what's something that you're super duper proud of, that you accomplished, that you overcame? I want to know. Like, let's share down below. If you don't want to share, that's okay, because I know sometimes things can be super personal, but for me, I just wanted to share this moment with y'all, because honestly, I say this all the time, but literally without y'all, I wouldn't be standing right here. I would not be standing right here with a brand. Like, I'm here for a brand. Like, do y'all hear what I'm saying? You literally just have to pinch yourself sometimes. But I've networked with like some amazing creators. I've met some creators that I've been following, and like, I finally get to see them in person and just be like, wow, like, you know? So I think it's so cool to you know, have watched somebody for a long time and then you finally meet them in person. I think that is so cute. But yeah, I've been, let me get my little mirror because my eyebrows, I gotta get up in the mirror, y'all. Are y'all like that? I have to like get up like right here just to get them perfecto. Cause your girl wants to take some cute pictures, okay? So the eyebrows gotta be lit. Do y'all see that eyebrow? This is a good eyebrow. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna meet up with some girls and we're going out to brunch. I actually leave tomorrow, so I have to kind of squeeze my day together, but for the most part I'm sure, you know, it'll go smoothly. The only thing about Fashion Week is that, like, one, I'm not gonna be here for that long, so I kind of have to squeeze in, you know, a lot of my activities like into one day, so it can be a little exhausting, but when you're having fun, you're having fun. My makeup nowadays is so quick. Like, I literally can do my makeup in like 15 minutes now because I've just gotten it so down pat. I know exactly, you know, what my products are, what my shades are. I could literally do my makeup in the dark now. Y'all can still see the glow under my makeup even after all the powder that I put on. Y'all saw I put on a lot of powder because I definitely want to be like super matte under my eyes and just all that, but she's still giving skin. You can see the makeup a little better in a natural lighting, as you can see. Yes, she looks cute. Very natural, but still kind of beat down, you know. So now I'm about to get dressed, y'all. This outfit, I literally, when I tried it on before I left, because I had to get all my looks together, y'all, I felt like a Barbie, and I'm gonna show y'all why. So this is my dress. How pretty. So y'all know I don't really like pink, but this right here I had to have it. I love the material. It's kind of like this crinkled, scrunched material, and it's long sleeve because it does get a little chilly at night. And you know, she's a mini. This dress is by the brand Hours from Revolve. I'll link it down below for y'all. But are y'all ready for the shoes? Are you ready for the shoes? Hello, look at these bad boys right here. These are from Pretty Little Thing. I actually wore them last night just to kind of, you know, test drive them a little bit. These bad boys right here are so bomb. So I'm gonna wear these with this. So I'm gonna be wearing this bad boy right here. This is my gray suede Jody, and I just feel like, oof, this gray suede with this pink. Come on now, let's get into it. Y'all, I'm in such a good mood. Like, it's been a while since I've been in such a great mood. Like, I don't take this moment for granted at all. Like, I feel so good. Yeah, so here's the dress. She's very, very cute, but I'm having a dilemma because I cannot wear my bra with it. So we're just gonna have to go braless. But as you can see, yeah, it's a nice deep situation going on. So it's also long sleeves. Again, I showed y'all the material. How bomb is this material? Like, it feels so good, kind of lightweight, so you won't be burning up, but it still gives you that like nice texture. So for my hair, I kind of want to wear my hair up and maybe like some pieces down or something like that. And then I want to show y'all with the shoe, but I think maybe I should try to do my hair. Oh, look how much taller I just got. Okay, so we got our pieces in the front. This is so cute. I love this hairstyle. I feel like it goes with so many different outfits. So yeah, we're gonna just push the rest up. I have a brush. I don't know why I'm not using it. Do wish I brought hairspray. Like, that's one thing I definitely wish I brought, because this would help me lay this hairstyle a little better. How do we feel about a pony? You can kind of see the reflection back there. Like, how do we feel? I'm not sure, y'all. I'm not sure. Okay, y'all, I think I have my hairstyle. So I'm gonna do like all kind of push back, but I'm gonna tuck these pieces behind my ear so that it looks like this. Very sleek, but kind of like out my face, but still sleek and push back, you know? I feel like that's gonna look so good. One thing I actually left is my edge brush. So you want to know what I've been using? Because when you're on trips and you forget something, you gotta finesse, right? So I've been using this spoolie right here, y'all. Okay, use a spoolie to just do the same motions that you would your edge brush, and then kind of brush it back into the rest of the hair to make it look seamless. Same with the other side. Okay, so now that we're done, I'm gonna take some Got To Be and I'm gonna just let it kind of dry down in my fingers really quick, like wait till it gets a little tacky, and then I'm gonna go over the front part of my hair so it can kind of act like a wax stick without being like, look, it's a little tacky now. So I'm gonna just gently press that right here because I don't want to put wet product on my hair, because after all, my hair is straight. So I don't know if y'all can see how like flat that is. I'm gonna do it again because I want it to hold just a little better, but my hair is straight, so I don't want to put a wet product on my hair. I kind of want it to dry down just a little bit so that my hair doesn't revert. I'm gonna take maybe like this much, and I still have a little product on my hands, y'all, so I'm just kind of working it. And then this is gonna go behind my ear, and then I'm gonna do the same for the other side and then tie it in the back. We're gonna pull it back. Even if you pull it back and it's not behind your ear, you can easily just pop your ear out after you're done. But I'm actually going to tie the hair up that's gonna stay out. I'm gonna put it up real quick so that it's out the way, and take my other scrunchie. Usually I would use a rubber band because it's much thinner, but I don't have one, so we're just gonna use this. And I'm just tying it back here, if you can see that. Ooh, I done caught some of my kitchen up in there. Hold on, let me take that out. Rest of the hair, you just take it down, and now you have a sleek tuck behind the ear look. So yeah, there's the hair. It's out of my face, but it's still down. Like, that's what I like. I hate when my hair is like in my face. For my necklaces, I'm just gonna wear a bunch of my Ana Luisa necklaces. Just layer them up and, you know, kind of glam it out. Like, I picked my most glam one, so this one is very like kind of gaudy. It's kind of bigger. I'm gonna wear my new fragrance that I just got, the 7 Virtues Vanilla Wood. Oh, it smells like us vanilla like summer night. So we're gonna put some here. Y'all, I like to swim in my perfume, so I'm gonna spray her all over. All right, I'm trying to get a full body for y'all. It ain't really working. Hold on 1 second. Here we go. Okay, is that good? Yes. Can you see the full outfits? I love her. She's so cute. So I did end up putting some shapewear under just to kind of hold the dress down from riding up, because I noticed when it's down, I don't have issues of anything slipping out. How do we feel? Do we like it? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to y'all. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.